I want to tell you something I've never talked about publicly. At 25, I had zero savings. Actually, worse than zero. I had debt. I was earning, I was spending, I was living, and I had absolutely nothing to show for it. And the worst part wasn't the money, it was the shame. I looked okay from the outside, going out on weekends, decent clothes, contributing to group chamas. But inside, I was one emergency away from total crisis. No cushion, no backup. When my phone broke, I had to borrow. When transport fares went up, I had to cut food. That is not living. That is surviving with a smile on your face. And I know so many of you are doing the same thing right now. The thing that woke me up wasn't a book or a YouTube video. It was a conversation with my dad. He looked me in the eye and said something I'll never forget. The way you handle money at 25 is the life you'll be living at 45. I didn't sleep that night because I looked at people twice my age still struggling, still borrowing, still counting days to payday. And I realized that could be me. That will be me unless something changes. So I did three things. I wrote down every cent I spent for 30 days. Painful, but eye-opening. I canceled everything I didn't need, and I started an emergency fund. Just case 500 a week, nothing dramatic. But it started building a habit, and more importantly, it started building my confidence that I could do this. If you're where I was, behind, ashamed, unsure, I need you to hear this. It is not too late. It was never about how much you earn. It's about what you decide to do with it today. Start somewhere, start small, but start. Share this with someone who needs it, and come back next week. I'll show you exactly how I rebuilt from zero. Follow, like, comment, share, subscribe, not forgetting to hit the notification bell for more videos.